Very good morning to all SYBCom, SYBA students. In the module 2 advertising agency, we are learning some of the career options which are available in advertising agency. In this lecture, we will see freelancing options for career in advertising. Say for example, let me say what is freelancing. Please join as early as possible. Freelancing person has creativity. A person want to explore. A person want to reflect through graphics, okay, through designing, through painting. He or she has a natural inclination for good communication skill, computer skills, and each one of us has some uh, inner our skill in the form of writing. I mean, creative writing, writing slogans, lyrics. They are they are having analytical skill, communication skill, important qualities of graphic designers. It includes basic qualities, sketches, then painting, then imagination. The power of imagination is required in these freelancing options. So anything if you have, so you can directly communicate with advertising agency. If they display advertisement through media, they can, then you can respond them, and as per the requirements and need, as the contact you have given to them, so that they will, I mean, advertising agency will contact you. And if you have something hidden talent potential, so the agency will give you platform to interact, to discuss, to reflect, to express, to explore yourself in the area you like, you have passion for it. The talent, the skills, they are the part and parcel of your life. So, so it is freelancing. Freelancing. Some people, they are freelancing. They have the skill of teaching. They have the skill of giving sermons. I mean, pravachan. Giving. They can dictate very well. They can inspire people. They speak as if the aura is they create, which is inspiring one. They are really motivating factors, and that may affect any person. Each and everyone has some potentials. So it is our responsibility, or the responsibility, to refine those talents that should come in the proper platform, and it is a must. In graphic, we will discuss in graphics. Graphic design is a growing industry nowadays. Graphics are enlarging its scope, nature, enlarging through the area of advertising agencies. It makes both text and image to design and create a visually opening elements for communicating message. These days, use of computer software is made to create visual concepts. Graphic designers are involved in designing and developing brochures, logos, advertisement, websites, corporate reports. They are so such kind of design. Say for example, graphics to meet specific needs such as packaging, logos, display, then websites, publications, etc. Some graphic designers even design the overall look for film and television credits. So they work with sound, colors, artwork, photography, software, and even animation to produce whatever the projects call for. Graphic designing is a process of communication through visual effects and artistic creativity. It requires the person who want to pursue career in graphic requires to create artistic designs. And creativity matters. Creativity and imagination must have analytical skill. Suppose you want to do some graphical sketches, so he should know what sort of graphics are expected in ads, so that customers or people they can take it, and the impact of such graphics, it automatically affects the buying motives of the customers. Then analytical skill, communication skill, time management skill, computer skills. We will gradually these skills. Creativity, I told you how it plays a vital role. It develop new approaches to communicating ideas to customers. Then analytical skill, graphic design. Designers must be able to look at their work from the point of view of their consumers and examine how the designs they develop will be perceived by consumers to ensure they convey the client's desired message. Communication skill, time management skill. Graphic designers often work on multiple projects at the same time. They have to work so many projects at the same time. They should follow the deadline. They must have the stress management skill so that they can do their task in time. Computer skills, graphic designers must have they should have computer savvy. Just I told you that use, instead of just using WhatsApp, use Google Map. uh, just try to understand some of its features, discuss with your friends. You can also use Zoom platform. Then such platforms, OBS, screen recorder, you should know these kinds of new software which are nowadays coming, so which are getting more uh, importance nowadays during the this pandemic situation. Computer skills, so it is required that you must have the computer skills. Maybe you want to pursue career in advertising agencies or whatever it is. Nowadays, it is a must. So many things I am also learning nowadays. So learning is a continuous process through which we can have the positive attitude. If so far say if we made mistakes, any kind of mistakes, then we should learn from these mistakes. We should not be negligence that I don't need it, what I have to do. after just learning those techno savvy things, you should not have such perception. So be positive always, having yes, I can do attitude, yes I do, I can do attitude is expected in all the fields. Now after this, let us study animation. Animation means what? Animation includes creating of moving pictures and images. They are means pictures are created as if they are speaking with us. Images are created. We have seen our animated channels of our children's. A little singer. My son is very fond of those animated serials. Then animation is the art which inanimate objects are brought to life. Inanimate objects are given life with the help of modern computer-based sequencing technique. And what are the so animation मध्ये जे काही नॉन लिव्हिंग थिंग्स यांना ते बोलतात, ओके, त्यांना भावना, मन हे आपल्या स्क्रीनवर दाखवलं जातं. आणि या ज्या आहेत ना, हे बनवण्यासाठी जे काही कौशल्य लागतं, कम्प्युटर डिझायनिंग असेल, ग्राफिक्स असतील, त्यानंतर कोरल ड्रॉ असेल, डीटीपी असेल, अशा जे काही बेसिक गोष्टी आहेत ह्या माहिती असणं अत्यंत आवश्यक आहे. So which kind of job prospects are available as an animator? Okay, in animation, if one want to pursue career, so what sort of prospects is available? Animation is the art with which inanimate objects, just I told you, job prospects as an animator. There are several career options in the field of animation. This includes animators can take employment with movies or television production companies, with advertiser, animation firms, video game companies, web design firms, etc. Apart from advertising and entertainment industry, animators are also required in the field of education, interior design, architecture, medicine, engineering and technology. फक्त त्यांची आवश्यकता टेलिव्हिजन किंवा टीव्हीवर काम करण्यासाठी नाहीये, तर ॲनिमेशनची जी काही आवश्यकता आहे ते इंटेरियर डिझाईन असेल, आर्किटेक्चर असेल, मेडिसिन असेल, इंजिनिअरिंग आहे, टेक्नॉलॉजी आहे, या सर्वांमध्ये जस्ट मी ॲडमिट यांची गरज आहे. Animators can further specialize within their industry and may work on one particular feature of an overall project, such as special effects, lighting, or computer graphics modeling. Uh, Skill required for making career in animation, which are those skills, plenty of diploma they are available to do career in graphics. Very few institutes in India are offering degree course present. However, diploma courses like Bachelor of Fine Arts BFA is an important course to pursue career in animation. Then some of the major attributes which are required in animation, that is creativity and imagination. It is a creative, innovative task, innovative activity. Imagination. Albert Einstein also point out that imagination is superior to intellect. Imagination is always superior because it doesn't have any sort of limitations. It is limitless. It is infinite. It is unpredictable. So such kind of things one should possess to pursue career in animation. Then drawing skills, it is expected that drawing one should have interest in drawing. Then uh, the person must have familiarity with graphics. Graphical softwares are available, so you should be familiar with such kind of softwares. Then communication skill. In each walk of life you must have good communication skill. There is no substitute for communication skill in any language, whether you belong to Marathi, Hindi, English as your mother tongue, but each and every sphere of field must have the knowledge of English. Okay, mother tongue, it's all right if we can speak, we can write. I mean, I am talking about creative writing. It's well and good, but in order to get uh, and enlarge yourself, your career, so you must have knowledge of English language, and it is expected to have knowledge in animation field. Then one must possess ability to meet deadline and work as a part of team. It means leadership skill is a must. Who is a leader? Who is a leader? So leader is a person who can give credit, who can give them a task, a vision, object, and have uniting spirit, who has ability to unite the team into a single thread, so that unity, a strength, there is strength in unity. So a leader, so leadership skill is expected in animation field everywhere, but we are now talking about animation and the career opportunities which are available in this field. Then some of the courses we have seen, we have also discussed. So apart from animation and the career objects which are available in this field, along with it, let us study modeling and job prospects which are available in modeling. So modeling, to some extent, it requires personal attributes. Personal attributes, I mean personal attributes like beauty, okay, captivating appearance, and camera friendly look, and beautiful. One has to be beautiful. So job prospects I mean modeling is as into some of the kinds like television modeling, print or still modeling, ramp or live modeling, showroom modeling, advertising modeling, and in Bollywood also one can women or girls, they can explore themselves through modeling. Vidya Balan got platform, and she also um, got opportunity to come in Bollywood or movies. In Bollywood TV channels, models they can get opportunity in TV channels, serials, reality shows, game shows, other TV programs that we often watch on television. Then products advertisements featuring in music videos, fashion shows, showroom displays, or garment. So modeling, look at the overall scope, that it is a world of glamour, it is the world of stardom. In a single night, the destiny can change in this field. Opening schools, one can pursue, one can establish opening schools or training schools for models. And it is just, I told you, it is a direct way to stardom or films. So many actor and actress in our film industry, they have started their career as a model, and they have reached the heights of stardom or success in their life, in their field of modeling, films, TV, advertisement, serials, uh, model. Just example, model, um, they get chance in advertising or advertisement, and then they are visible in media. Automatically they are visible through all sort of television media and print media. Then people will recognize people from films or serials. They recognize you through the ads, because ads are seen by each and everyone, and the face is camera friendly and amazing, captivating. Then one can get opportunity in the field of movies or serials. Then I told you some of the examples. Vidya Balan, then John Abraham, he also got opportunity in advertising, or he was a model, then got opportunity. Then I think some actors I didn't recognize. Right now I am unable to recollect, but at the early career of each and every actress, early career, not each and every, but it will provide the background. It is a foundation to build your career in this glamorous world. Then after, so which type of skills and qualities are expected in this field? Yeah. Physical attributes, natural physical attributes, I mean healthy complexion and hair, good height, photogenic face, camera friendly. And for this purpose, models, they want to pursue career, they should prepare their portfolio. It is a must, and send to advertising agency. Portfolio is a must. You also can say in Viva supplement in Lok Satta, portfolio is there. So selective photos are, I mean the photos sent by the girls or women, the selective are given a space in the supplements like in Lok Satta or some of the newspapers. And in the same way, portfolio should be made with the help of professional people, so that it can professional people, it matters. Camera does everything, so one has good skill in handling proper camera. So from such kind of skilled people, has to make portfolio for sending advertising agencies or sending the modeling agencies, so that if they like, so you can get an opportunity. Skills and qualities. Actually, this profession does not requires educational qualities, BA, MA, MCOM. It is not expected, but personal or physical attributes that I told you, it is required. If education qualification is there, well and good. If it uh, doesn't have education qualification, doesn't matter. I should have the skills that I have discussed with you. And preparing portfolio from the professional photographers is a must. And along with portfolio, it is a one requires hard work. Hard work is a must. Dedication and perseverance, it is a must. And it's a highly competitive and short-lived career. Stress factor is high. Lot of stamina and hard work is required. And the person must have inclination towards acting, camera friendly attitude, self confidence. In every field you can go, self confidence. It will play the all time difference. It will play all the difference in every field you want to pursue career. Any field, okay, modeling, okay, in any field you can go. So training schools are also available, but apart from training, programs will guide you, will instruct you in beauty care, makeup, hairstyling, diet and exercise, handling contracts and other technicalities. Institutes also guide the students in making a portfolio. They can guide you, but personal attributes are must. Personal attributes, okay, say for some examples, some photogenic faces, Ashwarya Rai. Then one can cite examples of Vidya Balan, just I told you. Then Priyanka Chopra. Some examples are there. Their faces uh, are really photogenic face. Madhuri Dixit, Hema Malini, and previously Rekha. So they are having such kind of skill, and therefore they are there at the top of their field. They have selected. They have chosen. So you have listened patiently. If you have any doubts and queries, graphics and graphics and modeling, graphics, I told you the interest, passion, along with modeling, you also require the same thing. Personal physical attributes are must in modeling. Physical attributes, beautiful face, height. These are the things which is a must to pursue career in modeling. So all of you have listened patiently. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening patiently. Thanks.